Hinduism, one of the oldest religions in the world, traces its roots back to four ancient texts, the Vedas. These sacred scriptures were not written by hand, nor crafted by human minds. Instead, they were heard by ancient sages, known as rishis, in deep states of meditation. These divine revelations were passed down orally for centuries, and only much later, between 1500 and 500 BCE, were they written. The word Veda means knowledge. But this isn't just any knowledge, it's the foundation of spiritual wisdom, the guide to understanding the universe, life, and the gods. The Vedas are more than just books. They are the eternal truths that have shaped the religious, philosophical, and spiritual framework of Hinduism for over 3,000 years. There are four Vedas, each with its own unique purpose and role in ancient society. First, the Rig Veda. Composed of over 1,000 hymns, this is the oldest and most important Veda. It praises powerful gods like Indra, the god of thunder and war, Agni, the fire god who bridges the human and divine worlds, and Varuna, the guardian of cosmic order. The hymns of the Rig Veda ask for blessings, strength in battle, and harmony with nature. The Rig Veda's hymns were the cornerstone of early Vedic rituals, invoking the divine forces that control rain, harvests, and prosperity. Then, there's the Samaveda. Its hymns come mostly from the Rig Veda, but here, they are set to music. The Samaveda is where sound becomes sacred. These melodies, chanted in rituals, are the origin of Indian classical music. The power of sound was believed to connect humans to the divine, and through these songs, priests could invite the gods to take part in sacred ceremonies.
The third is the Yajurveda, a practical guide for priests. It contains prose mantras and ritual instructions, guiding the precise performance of Vedic ceremonies. Whether it's a grand fire sacrifice or a simple prayer, the Yajurveda details every step, every mantra. It ensures that the offering, the words, and the intent are perfectly aligned to reach the gods. These rituals were central to Vedic life. Through them, humans maintained balance with the cosmos, the seasons, and the divine forces that govern existence. Lastly, the Atharvaveda. Unlike the other Vedas, it speaks to everyday life. It's filled with spells, charms, and prayers for health, protection, and well-being. Need healing? There's a mantra for that. Want protection from enemies? You'll find it here. The Atharvaveda dives into the practical side of spirituality, where the divine intersects with daily human needs. It's the Veda that shows how sacred knowledge can bring comfort and security in daily life. But the Vedas are not just about rituals. Their deeper layers, found in the Upanishads, ask profound questions. What is the nature of the self? What is the ultimate reality, the Brahman? How does one achieve liberation from the cycle of birth and death? These questions, explored thousands of years ago, continue to influence spiritual thought worldwide. From the hymns of the Rig Veda to the philosophical insights of the Upanishads, the Vedas contain the seeds of wisdom that still guide millions today. They are the timeless roadmap to understanding the mysteries of existence, guiding us on how to live in harmony with nature, with the gods, and with ourselves. The Vedas, texts that are over 3,000 years old, hold truths that remain relevant in our world today. They teach us to look deeper, beyond the surface, into the nature of existence itself. Discover ancient wisdom that continues to illuminate the path of life. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.